Hey YouTube family, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back once again to our daily hacking news series. If you want, you can hit like and subscribe buttons. It will work as a sort out to our team. Now let's get right into video. And sorry for the voice. Actually, I'm suffering from some disease, so hope this is not going to temper you. Anyway, now the first news is related to Microsoft. So Microsoft has set light on four different ransomware families, which is K-Ranger, FileCoder, MagRansom, and Evil Quest. So these are known to impact macOS system. So the tech giant security team intelligence, basically there's a threat intelligence team of Microsoft. They have said on this Thursday in a report that while these malware families are old, they exemplify the range of the capabilities and malicious behavior possible on the platform. Also, the initial vector of these ransomware families involve what the Windows maker call user assisted method, wherein the victims download and install Trojanized application. So alternatively, it can also arrive as a second stage payload that drop by an alternative existence malware on the infected host as a part of supply chain attack. So I hope you're familiar with what is supply chain attack. If not, just let us know. We'll just make a video on it. Now, next news is related to macOS. So, a variant of the infamous ddos banking malware has set its sight on Apple's macOS operating system using a previously undocumented infected method. So, this was said according to a latest research. So, there was a technical research report from the Trend Micro researcher Armando Nathalian Pedrogja. So, they had said that it has adopted a new technique to deliver document embedded the malicious macros to users without having a pretendant to be invoice or other business related files. So Dridex, also called as Bugat and Crudex, this is an information stealer that knows to harvest sensitive data from infected machine and deliver and execute malicious module. So it's attributed to an e-crime group called Evil Cop, which is also known as Edric Spider. So have you heard about Evil Cop? Most probably you have heard. Just let us know in which series, in which movie you have heard. Now next news related to Slack. So recently Slack has suffered security incident over the holiday affecting some of its private GitHub code repository. So the immensely popular Salesforce Honor IM app is used by an estimated 18 million users at workspace and digital communities around the world. But not worry, customer data is not affected. There is a company called Bleeping Computer. They has come across a security incident notice which was issued by Slack on December 31st, 2022. The incident basically involves threat actors gaining access to the Slack internal hosted GitHub repos via a limited number of Slack employees token that were stolen. So while some of Slack private code repositories were breached, Slack's primary code base and customer data remains unaffected, and this was said according to the company. Now, last news related to WhatsApp. So, popular instant messaging service WhatsApp has launched support for proxy servers in the latest version of its Android and iOS apps. So, letting users circumvent government imposed censorship and international shutdowns. So, the Meta-owned company have said that choosing a proxy enabled you can connect WhatsApp through servers set up by volunteers and organizations around the world, which is dedicated to helping people communicate freely. So here, proxy will act as an intermediary between the end users and the service provider by routing request originating from a client to the server and forwarding the request and response back to the devices. So that's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have comment on feedback, you may subscribe because we are bringing hacking news on daily basis. At last, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.